We're the gateway to the North Maine woods. So once you hit us north, you're in nothing but wilderness. There's great hunting, fishing, hiking, waterfalls, you name it. And the other piece of it is Bingham is a little hidden gem. You know, people have driven by our shop for the last 3 years, heading 45 minutes north to where our new location is in Jackman, and had no clue we were there. They just don't understand that, you know, there isn't the traffic on the trails, there isn't the volume of people. There's still a very good volume of people, but it's not these chaotic hub towns. Our ATV club was one of the first clubs formed in the state of Maine when the whole club system started for ATVs. So we currently, our club alone maintains 145 miles of trail that nobody else, you know, we're over mileage. We raise our own funding to maintain that amount of mileage of trails. The state funding just doesn't cover what we need to do.
Bingham is very unique also in the aspect that you can leave north, south, east, or west and return in an opposing direction. You know, there's a lot of loop options. There's 2-hour loops, 4-hour loops. You know, we can almost tailor a trip to what you want to see, and, you know, make it fun and adventurous along the way. We love this crazy life we live.
Crazy lifestyle is what it is.
Out on, and then it kind of dawned on me, like, everybody that we rent to can see this. And you can see Wyman Lake where we were last night. Then you've got Coburn Mountain over here. You know, I proposed to my wife on top of that mountain.
Nice.
It's 4,300 feet tall. It's the tallest mountain in Maine you can snowmobile to the summit of. And then you've got that sort of forks region right there in the valley where they do the whitewater rafting trips. You've got Moxie Falls up there. I mean, it's just an abundant amount of resources.
Yeah, it's amazing, and not a man-made structure to be seen.
To be seen,
really.
Right.